for my project, I did a video presentation, and it's called A Reflection of Algebra 2 by Diana Victoria. Okay, the examples that are used is, the first one is when we did the lattice rectum, the directrix, and focus vertex axis of symmetry, and then it's in the form y equals a parentheses x minus h parentheses to the second power plus k. You plug them in, it's going to be 0 parentheses x squared plus 4x plus 4 parentheses minus 7 plus 0 plus minus 0 minus plus 0 minus 4, sorry. And then that stays the same, and you just combine the 3, goes negative 11, and then it's going to equal y equals 0 parentheses x squared plus 2 parentheses to the second power minus 11, and then as you can see here, it has all the axis of symmetry, vertex, focus, directrix, lattice, rectum, and the graph that shows it where it is and where the vertex is. The second example is the distance formula. D equals square root of parentheses y1 minus y2 square parentheses square plus parentheses x1 minus x2 square minus parentheses to the second power. And then you plug it in, it's 5 minus negative 4 to the square root plus negative 2 minus 5 to the second power. And that equals 9 squared plus negative 7 squared, and that's going to total 2. Altogether, it's going to be 130, the square root of 130. It breaks up to 65 and 2. Second example here is the midpoint. X1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And it's, the numbers used here is negative 2 plus 5 divided by 2, comma 5 plus negative 4 divided by 2. And that is going to equal 1.5, comma 0.5 or 3/5, comma 1/2, or half. What's this one? Okay, this is the one where we did the circle. Oh, here they are. Okay, so this is the one with the circle. And this is where you had to plug this in to find the radius. Yeah, the radius for it. So you plugged it in, and then it gave you the radius. So you do the opposite, and then it's x minus 3 to the second power, y plus 4 to the second power equals 9, but it's like 9 squared. So it would actually be the square root 3 to the second power, and that's how it looks graph. Or you can find the equation, or you can find the equation for the circle when they give it to you. Like here, they give you 0, 0, and the radius is 5, so it'd be 0, negative 5, 0, 5, 5, 0, 0, negative 5, and negative 5, 0. And the equation will equal to x squared plus, x squared plus x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. 5 to the second power. Example. This is the synthetic and row zeros. And the first one is the synthetic, and it's f parentheses x equals 2x to the second power minus 8x plus 6. The remainder is 2. And how I got that is, you put the 2 here because it's the first one in front of the x, and then you line them up, and it's 2, negative 8, 6. You bring down the 2 and 2, negative, well, you get negative 4, and then you equal to 2x minus 4 plus 2 over x parentheses x minus 2. And then over here it's factored out and right there. And then the last one is the row roots of 0. And it's what they give you is f parentheses x equals x to the 5th power minus 2x to the 4th power plus 3x to the 3rd power minus 7x to the 2nd power plus 5x minus 2, and it changes, so it's negative to positive, so that's yes for change, positive to negative, yes change, negative to a positive, yes change, and change there again because it went from a negative to a positive again. No wait, positive to a negative. I apologize. Positive row roots are 5 or 3. Here it is, how it looks when you plug it in. When you divide it, and it's negative x5 minus 2x4 to negative x to the 5th power minus 2x to the 4th power minus 3x to the 3rd power minus 7x to the 2nd power minus 5x minus 2x. There's 5 real roots, 3 real roots, 2 imaginary, and 1 real root and 4 imaginary. I really messed up on this thing. So, hope you like my question. Oh, I messed up. My presentation. Smiley face.
Say bye.
Bye.